I just wanted to make a quick demo of how to use the scheduling tools quickly and efficiently. This is just an example event starting out as a default mode where there's nothing in here. Probably the best way to start is you create just a general schedule for the approximate times you expect to be at the store every day. So let's just say 8 a.m. to, I don't know, 5 p.m. Something like that. Let's do it at 5. And then what you can do is just click this all, and that will add all the days. So now we have all the days from the start date to the end date. If you need to have some setup time, maybe the night before everything starts, you can just go ahead and update that as well. Let's say 7 p.m. to maybe 9 p.m. And you can also, of course, do teardown afterwards, but usually this occurs that same night. You just extend this time. So you can just go ahead and delete those. All right, so these are all my days now, and it's really quick and easy to go ahead and assign people to it. You can assign it, and you can fill it down. It does ask you if you want to do that. And then if you have multiple people per day, you can use this to duplicate days. So when I click this, it's going to create a whole nother day or a whole nother schedule entry for 8/2. It's going to give me the same times. And if I want, I could go ahead and tweak these so that maybe I'm just sharing the shift for the day, something like this. Okay, so now I have one person, Brad, working in the morning, and then I could assign someone else in the afternoon. The other nice thing about this is that you can also just disable entire days to the schedule. So you still want to list them maybe and put a note there as to why they're not supposed to work, but you could just include it as disabled. That's, as an example, if there's a holiday that your event is on, you can use that disabled mode. We don't really want to do that for this. So now I have a full schedule in there, and it's set up. Now what you can do is save these to a template. So there's two icons over here, save and load. Click on the save button right here, and you can give it any name you want. My cool schedule. All right, so now that is saved as a template. What that means is that for another Sam's Club event, I can go and load up this template and instantly get this same schedule in there. So let's go ahead and go do that. Let's go find another Sam's Club event. Let's go to Humble. All right, so now if I go back to the schedule, I just go over here to the load, and you'll see there's my cool schedule there. And it's going to overwrite anything you already have, so just make sure you want to do that. And as you can see, the dates and times are, the dates have changed, but the times are all consistent. And they also scale to the time zone of whatever Sam's Club you're at. So in other words, we still have a setup on 10/4, which is the day before the event starts, and we finish off on the 15th, which is the last day. So, and then from there, of course, you can do the same things. You can assign people and fill it down and so on. Now, the other thing about templates is if you do want to edit them, you can go over here and you can go to the schedule template mode, and you can find all your different templates. And here you can edit the names and you can delete them. You can't see the details of them, but at least this gives you basic management tools. All right, so that's how templates work. Hope it helps. Bye.